let me go through the plan before I start. There's one frame in here that I know has contents. I'm gonna put that right there so that way they can take stuff from it. I'm gonna have my guard helper thingy so that way all the bees will be nice and safe, because right now there's kind of a lot of robbing, so it's kind of dangerous to leave an empty frame of honey out there. So it's not that great of an idea, but I'm not good at making good ideas. Big frame. I don't have a bee brush, so don't make fun of me. Oh yeah, that one has capped honey. I may actually take a little bit of the capped honey for myself. They actually had a lot more honey than I expected, and due to safety reasons and I want honey reasons, I may actually extract some of this. I don't have one of those machines for extracting honey, but quite honestly, you can just use gravity. It's just very slow because I think most people know that honey's pretty viscous.
Good.
Okay. Now we're just gonna take off the super, which should be pretty light. Ain't anything in it. Yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I believe this middle frame here has the most honey. Yeah, she got the most honey. So I'm gonna smoke all these bees. I don't have a bee brush, but I'm just gonna give them a nice smoking. Flip the comb upside down with my hand. Just brush them like that. I've ended up putting this guard filter on the hive that I made myself. It's kind of sketchy. I hope they don't sting me. Just because I began to see some robbers. Okay, so this is the second time I'm attempting decapping honey. The other side was disgusting. And so I think I got it going. Just gonna keep going down the wax. Trying to be nice and parallel, but go down everything going. No expect. Try not to get satisfied challenge. You lost. This is black honey, or like a dark amber. I think this is gonna be a bit bitter. I should really heat up my knife, but I'm done. If you want to see the other side, it's horrific. So gravity didn't manage to get all the honey off these frames, but I got quite a bit of honey, and also I don't want to wait much longer for all that to come off. So instead of washing all the honey off, oh hi Lucy, why don't I do something way easier and just feed this back to the bees? So now I'm putting this through like a cheese cloth or whatever it's called, so I can filter out all this wax. I'll melt out all the wax later, and I'm gonna put some tension on this to pull it out. So I ended up getting about 3 2/3 cups of honey. I'm gonna be keeping 1 cup for myself, and I'm gonna give like around half a cup to friends and stuff. Now just for a bit of inception, there's that. Now we're gonna pour this in here. Ooh. Try not to get satisfied. This is like the 3rd time I've said this in this video. So that was a horrible idea what I just did there. So I thought by putting this guard filter, it'd be fine from robbing those honey frames that were out, but it was still a complete mess. And so there were just bees from other colonies, there were yellow jackets. It was a mess, and so I would not do that. And then to add to that, I thought that if I had the frames out, they would have all the wax on them, and then I could go out at sunset and take the frames in. But at sunset, I saw a wax moth, which is why I wanted to do it before the sun went down, was laying eggs on one of the combs, and I didn't want to risk having like wax moths infecting my wax, so I ended up melting it all down into this janky candle right here. Just don't leave your food out in the open. If you want to feed your honey back to your bees, I would say just crystallize all the nectar and honey yourself and use it like as a fondant in the winter. Hey guys, thanks for watching the honey harvest. This is more of filler content. This was actually recorded way back sometime in September. Because right now, this December, I've been working on lots of forging projects which are hard to record, and also I don't have great technique yet. But if you want to see what I've been forging, you can check out my Instagram, which is in the link below. Besides that, I should be exploding some potatoes sometime soon, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed already, do so if you like this video.